Hello, YouTube family. Today I want to talk about myself as a 28-year-old autistic neurodivergent person and tell you how I get through my struggles. And anybody that's a neurodivergent like me, that's on the spectrum, or maybe you got other disabilities like ADHD and more, and show you how I get through it, and then hoping you can take that into consideration. I'm not a doctor, so just don't take my advice. But anyways, here's my ways of how I manage my day-to-day my day-to-day things I do every day. When I first wake up in the morning, I get my coffee. So I get my coffee in the morning, and then after I do that, I check my social media feed, see what's going on, see if there's anything that's popping, and then I make a post. I make a motivation post. Sometimes I use AI, or sometimes I brainstorm it, depending on me. And then after I do that, then I go do more studies. I look at what everybody else doing. I take a little break here and there, and maybe chill out, play some video games, or watch TV, or help my family out a little bit. And then when I get around the sometimes depending on my day, it's just like probably do another video. I might do a short video. I might do a long form video, and that's what I do from the kind of like midday something. And sometimes I make another post on Facebook or something like that. And I also gauge on other people's posts as well. That's something too you might want to do, so that way it helps with the algorithm. And then what else I do? And then around the 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock mark, I kind of like let me see what I'm gonna post about. And then I go ahead and post, and then same routine and all that. And then kind of like getting close to even, if I have time, then I'll post another one. And not, it is what it is, and I'll call it a WAPs. A WAP and a WAP. Just say, But anyways, those are what I do to help manage my my autism, because we all know people that's on the spectrum, sometimes we need our breaks too, and had to get in this discussion with a few people. Some people don't understand, so when I tell them when you get burned out, they say, oh, I know how to manage it. I just use AI, or we have to be consistent, and you just got to be consistent. You got to show up, okay? But guess what? Not everybody's gonna be the same, so you have to take that into consideration. This is not when they start doing it. This is not 2013, 2014, 2015, and the other days. These are the new days. You got new people coming in, and they might look at things differently. It's kind of like crypto, where everybody didn't know crypto at the time. Now everybody knows about crypto. Everybody's getting involved, from the big guys to the government. But we're getting a little political here. But that's the same thing with this industry, the affiliate marketing industry, the side hustling industry, the network marketing industry, and all that. And then that's why a lot of people get burnt out, and they just move on, or they just go quiet and go ghost. And then when you ask for help from people that really don't understand, they get upset, or they put you into these different categories that say, man, I always answered that question like 1,000 times. I'm not gonna keep answering it. I'm gonna run my business differently. Oh, hey, run your business, but you're not gonna succeed with that kind of top points. A lot of people that say things like that, they most likely are not really business owners. 99% of the time, they're not. They can pretend to say they have their own business, their own websites, and all that, but to me, they're influencers, or they're something else, but they're just influencers to me. So they're not really marketers. They're not business owners. That's not how you talk to your clients, and that's not how you talk to your business people, because you'll lose your clients and you lose money. People care about that money. So for anybody out there that's dealing with people like that, my advice is vote with your wallet. If you don't like what they say or what they do, don't follow them. Tune them out, knowing them, do what you gotta do. Don't give them your attention, because when you start getting them your attention, guess what happens? They win. You don't need to get them that win. You need to come up at the top, not the bottom. So that's what I have to say about that. And I mean, that's all I got to say for this video about how I manage myself as a 20-year-old autistic person. I know, hey, I'm young. I know it's kind of hard to tell I'm an adult, but I am. So, people say, well, why are you doing this? Why you just go you know, whatever. But I'm gonna know those people. I'm gonna continue to do what I do. I'm gonna serve the people. I'm gonna help the people. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna still manage my issues. But anyways, I thank you guys for liking the video, watching the video, and all that. You can check me out on all my platforms I'm on. The link should be in my bio, so excuse me, y'all can go check that out. Other than that, that's all I gotta say. Y'all take care of everyone, and I'll be around just in case anybody needs help. Have a great day.